Welcome to Inchmahome Priory, a hidden gem on Inchmahome Island in the picturesque Lake of Menteith in Scotland. Today we'll explore the rich and storied history of this medieval monastery established in the 13th century. Inchmahome Priory was founded in 1238 by Walter Comyn, the 4th Earl of Menteith. Designed as an Augustinian monastery, it was created to provide a serene space for spirituality and reflection away from the distractions of the outside world. The secluded island offered the perfect setting for the monks as they sought solitude and connection with God. The architectural features of Inchmahome Priory reflect the Romanesque style that was prevalent during this construction. The stone structure includes a church, a cloister, and the remains of monastic quarters, all built using local materials. The design highlights both function and the beauty of its natural surroundings. One of the most fascinating aspects of Inchmahome Priory is its historical connection to Mary Queen of Scots. In 1547, at the tender age of 5, Mary sought refuge at the Priory after a tumultuous period in her life. This period of isolation and tranquility on Inchmahome Island allowed her to distance herself from the dangers surrounding her at court. The Priory thrived for centuries, becoming not only a space of worship, but also a sanctuary for royals and dignitaries. However, like many religious institutions in Scotland, it faced challenges during the Protestant Reformation in the 16th century. The shift in religious practices led to the decline of monastic life, and by the late 1500s the community at Inchmahome had largely diminished. Despite its decline, Inchmahome Priory remained a point of interest over the years. The picturesque ruins of the Priory and the surrounding landscapes continue to attract visitors, and in the 19th century it became a popular site for tourists exploring Scotland's rich heritage. Today, Inchmahome Priory is maintained by the Historic Environmental Scotland and serves as a reminder of the country's medieval past. Accessible by boat from the port of Menteith, visitors can wander through the ruins, appreciating the tranquility of the site and its historical significance. Inchmahome Priory stands as a testament to Scotland's monastic history and its enduring legacy. With its serene location and storied past, the site invites us to reflect on the lives of those who once sought solace within its walls. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of Inchmahome Priory. For more explorations into Scotland's rich past, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.